Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2, discuss about career counseling principle. So, in this material, there are 3 topics. The first is career counseling basics. Second is career counseling goals. And third is career counseling principle. The first topic is career counseling basics. First, career guidance is needed on the basis that every job or position demands certain requirements to carry it out. The job or position also demands certain requirements from the individuals who carry it out. Next, career guidance is carried out in schools on the basis of the complexity of society and the world of work. Next, the development of students demands the ability to carry out developmental tasks. Next, part of human life takes place in the world of work. That is, when someone has entered the world of work or the world of career, half of the life of a human being or someone is spent working. As we know, half of the world's hours are spent working. Next, career guidance is needed in order to produce capable and skilled development personnel doing work for development. The point here is that when we have done automatic career guidance, we already have sufficient provision to enter the career world. We are skilled enough in the field we choose. And second topic is career counseling goals. First, improve student self-understanding. Can understand and assess himself, especially those related to his or her potential regarding abilities, interests, talents, attitudes, and ideals from which student can identify fields of study and careers that suit him. Next, fostering a harmony attitude toward participation in the world of work and toward efforts to prepare for a position. Next, increase students' knowledge of the world of work. Students should find out about various things related to the work that they will enter, such as the level of career power offered, job description in various fields of work, the influence of technological developments on certain work fields, the contribution that can be made in certain fields of work at society, and the demands of work ability in certain work fields in the future. Next, improve thinking skills in order to be able to make decisions about position and implement those decisions. So, before he plunges into the career world, he should know the various types of work related to the potential that exists in him, and know the types of education and training required for a certain field, or understand the relationship between his present and future business. Next, develop values that are compatible with the ideal lifestyle, including possessions, supporting the ability to communicate and work together. And the last topic is career counseling principle. First, career guidance is for all individuals. This principle means that career guidance is given to all parties or students, both these without problems or these without problems, both men and women, both children, adolescents, and adults. This career guidance is a process of assistance or service that is ongoing in the entire journey of a person's life, not an event that is segregated from one another. Next, career guidance is assistance provided to individuals or students who are in the process of developing. This the characteristic and developmental task activity. In this case, the approach used the career guidance is more preventive and developmental than healing, and prioritizing technique and approaches in group settings rather than individuals. A preventive approach is a guidance service to prevent individuals or clients from falling into problems in the process of self-development. Development approach is a mentoring service to facilitate the path of individual or client development. A curative approach is a guidance service to cure individuals or clients of a psychology problem or a model of finding solution to problems faced by individuals. Next, career guidance is individual. Each individual is unique or different from each other, and through career guidance that individual is helped to maximize the developmental of his uniques. This principle also means that the focus of the target of assistance is individuals, even though the guidance service use group technique. We are from group 2. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching.